Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and every good evening. First all, I would like to express my gratitude to all of for your time to listen to my presentation. Before I begin the presentation, let me tell to me about myself. My name is Zainuddin bin Maknasir. ID number 90073101680101. The course is OUMH 1303 English for Oral Communication. I would like to give the informative speech about STEM education. In my presentation, I will discuss about STEM education in Malaysia. This is the outline of my presentation first. I will explain about the overview of STEM education. Next, the importance of STEM education will be discussed. After that, the concept of STEM education will be explained, or the topic which also be discussed in the presentation. In the implementation of STEM education technique to empower STEM education in educational instruction and involvement of teaching staff. Without further ado, let's move to first slide. How many of you have know about STEM education? STEM education is derived from the abbreviation SMART, which is science, mathematics, engineering, and technology. Later, the National Science Foundation (NSF) summarize the term to STEM: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, to facilitate pronunciation and strengthen the meaning of each element in the Malaysian context. STEM refer to education policy and school curriculum choice to enhance competence in science and technology to students. This is ensured in the Malaysian Education Development Plan 2013 until 2025, which emphasizes STEM education at the school level through co-curriculum and co-curricular activities which support through various stakeholders. After that, importance of system education. STEM education is the integration of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics as a more interesting and fun method of the teaching and learning. STEM education is important because it covers every aspect of daily life. After that, and the world around us. STEM knowledge is applied in problem solving. The problem solving such a building construction and discount calculation when purchasing goods. After that, not only that, STEM knowledge is very important as we prepare to face different challenges and life in the future, such a autonomous vehicle and artificial intelligence. Yes. After that, the item 5 is STEM education is priority for school and university toward defining and strengthening the field to the youngest generation. STEM education also embraces the concept based on 4C or 4K component, namely communication, cooperation, creativity, and critical thinking as contained in 21 country learning include PAK-21 and high level thinking skill HLTS. You know HLTS. The development of this component is seen to produce a younger generation who have high skill in solving complex problems. After that, in fencing, the challenges of industry 4.0, the youngest generation in particular need to master the fields of STEM. This is to produce skilled human capital in the field of future technology, which is the core in industry. The world is now facing Industry 4.0, which requires a generation of highly knowledgeable and able to face the challenge of new, more complete technology. The world of VUCA, you know VUCA, VUCA also need a resilient generation and not only become consumer of technology, but also start of triangle technology. He said, is them is not an aspiration. The country will continue to be consumer of technology and this situation very detrimental. STEM must also viewed from a positive angle to facilitate community life. Various knowledge creation can be produced through STEM exploration without forgetting the aspect of common sense, which is also the core the nation civilization. After that, today, the implementation of STEM is seen the second wave when the government, Saturday bodies, association, non-governmental organization, NGO, and external agency work together in promotion STEM to the community. Through the cooperation shown, this STEM education is seen to produce a younger generation who have high intellectual in the field of science and technology, at the same time able to drive the country economy and make Malaysia a high income country. For example, today the existence of various channels of example through the Young Scientist Network, Academy Science Malaysia, YSN, ASM, as a medium channeling the voice of the younger generation with various new ideas toward achieve the national STEM agenda. Various high impact activities are implemented such as Science Cafe, National Science Challenge, Science Education, and many more to provide opportunities of system always to be close the heart of the community, especially the young. The next of STEM effort to improve STEM culture among the younger generation, media and technology lies. Moreover is now the younger generation is so close to technology, the history that put The boundaries. The boundaries of mind, the STEM is difficult to be learned. To be learned should be crashed to prevent that from continuing to stay away from this field. STEM, film and document, especially in Bahasa Malaysia, need to be multiplied to enable or level of the younger generation in various geographical position in Malaysia to benefit corporate bodies and interested individual can also play a role in helping this by making STEM an agenda based on Parliament and the State Legislative Assembly done respectively through this method. The scope will be more concentrated and my younger generation can be helped. After that, the implement of the STEM is not just for young people but educational institutions such as school and university need to play a role based on science, technology, engineering and mathematics. STEM implementation guidebook in learning and teaching (TNL). STEM element in the primary school standard curriculum KSSR, integrated secondary school curriculum KBSM and secondary school standard curriculum standard KSSM already clearly written. Now, more importantly, the implementation must be more comprehensive, organized and observed as a result so that its effectiveness can be made in addition to continuous improvement action. In fact, the university should play a role toward STEM culture. At technical university, for example, various STEM activity for the community and the younger generation, especially secondary and primary school students are organized. The next, my present today, at the same time, we should also emphasize the aspect of teaching staff which is seen is important because it is main supporter in achieve the STEM empowerment agenda based on the STEM handbook related to teaching and learning TNL. Outline the 7M feature to guide the teaching staff in the implementation of system. Among its features are increasing student sensitivity to real global issue, involving student in open inquiry and exploration, student moving and working in team in problem solving, apply STEM understanding in daily life, and providing opportunities to improve work and products producers. There are several concepts of STEM. They are concept, the STEM learning that are more interesting and fun because STEM facilitate learning to help students to better understand the concept and application in subjects such as science and mathematics. After that, in addition, using the concept of real life, the real life or superhero in learning activity can help students more easily understand the learning topic that are commonly learned in school. This is because more students or children really like to learn using visual video and project-based learning. One example I give of STEM activity is a concept of inquiry-based learning. The activity address the differences of three glasses the of 3 glasses containing water and egg. This is also one of the concepts in STEM called inquiry-based learning. In this way, students will ask questions to solve the problem. Why are some eggs? Some get some rice and some in the middle the water. Therefore, STEM learning is very important subject and certainly become involved in the future when the STEM progress in the empire the 4C element, fostering country learning and collaboration, creativity, communication and the critical thinking. Which the willingness of teacher is STEM education integration. It is hope the student can build something meaning of the life of the basic that has been provided with their reading teachers, the teaching and learning in school with the education received by student in STEM education in school. It is hope that student will be able to make change in the future by doing research at the later stage in the life. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.